Welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll see 4 real-life accident stories. Don't forget to give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Urban Crash. On a sunny afternoon at around 1 p.m., a major accident occurred at a busy intersection on the outskirts of the small town of Ames, Iowa. A green passenger bus carrying a group of tourists collided with a truck delivering goods to a local supermarket, causing serious traffic complications. The bus, driven by 50-year-old George Pearson, was traveling in its own lane, heading to a popular tourist destination. George was paying close attention to the road, but he was distracted for a second by the conversations of the passengers in the cabin and a sudden call from the dispatcher. At that moment, the traffic lights changed from yellow to red, and the bus passed the intersection without stopping. On the other hand, the 45-year-old truck driver was in a hurry to deliver the goods on schedule. He did not take into account the heavy weight of the vehicle and tried to slow down, but due to his excessive speed, he was unable to stop in time. The bus crashed into the middle of the truck, crushing the metal and creating an incredible noise. The force of the impact turned the truck around, pushing it off the road and onto the side of the road. The bus also stopped, severely damaging its front end, but surprisingly, it remained on its wheels. No one inside the bus was injured, except for a few frightened tourists who suffered minor bruises from the impact. The truck driver got away with a fright and a slight bruise on his shoulder. George, the bus driver, admitted that he was distracted and immediately called the emergency services. The accident caused a major traffic jam that made it difficult to get around for a long time. Chapter 2. Fiery Collision. As the sky was bathed in the warm hues of a sunset, a terrible tragedy struck on the outskirts of the small town of Riverwood, Texas. A black Toyota Hilux pickup truck was traveling along a main road when its trajectory suddenly changed and it crashed full speed into a petrol pump at a local petrol station. The pickup truck was driven by 29-year-old Tom Branson. Before the accident, he was on his way home from a hard day's work. Tired and irritated, Tom was distracted by a text message on his phone. The few seconds he took his eyes off the road were crucial. At that moment, a tractor suddenly appeared ahead of him and drove onto the road. Tom instinctively jerked the steering wheel to the side to avoid a collision, but due to his high speed, he lost control of the vehicle. The pickup crashed into a petrol station with such force that it instantly caught fire. The fire quickly engulfed the Hilux, and a few seconds later there was a powerful explosion that literally shook the petrol station. The flames rose high into the sky, illuminating the neighborhood. Luckily, there were no other customers at the petrol station at the time, and the staff managed to run to a safe distance when the first signs of fire began to appear. Tom, unfortunately, was unable to get out of the pickup truck and died on the spot. Chapter 3. Rail Recklessness. It was a clear and cool morning, but at a small crossing on the outskirts of Rockville, Indiana, an event took place that shook the locals. Around 8:30 a.m., a dark gray Volkswagen Tiguan was racing towards a railway crossing. Behind the wheel was 37-year-old Henry Blake, who appeared to have spent the night drinking. His judgment and reaction were significantly slowed down. The barrier was open at the time, and Henry thought he could cross the level crossing quickly. However, the second his car was in front of the rails, the barrier began to close. The red warning lights flashed, but Henry had already stepped on the accelerator, trying to get through. Unfortunately, he did not take into account the speed of the approaching train. The powerful locomotive was rushing along the track, sounding alarm bells. In a moment, the inevitable happened. The train crashed into the rear of the Tiguan with incredible force. The impact was so strong that the car literally turned into a pile of crumpled metal. But the tragedy did not end there. A spark from the impact caused the car's fuel tank to explode. The flames instantly engulfed the remains of the car. Rescuers who arrived at the scene were unable to help. Henry died on the spot. Chapter 4: Fatal Overtake. Around noon that day, a series of dramatic events took place on a wide, multi-lane motorway near Charleston, South Carolina. A Toyota Corolla, driven by 34-year-old Sarah Martinez, was traveling in the middle lane, steadily increasing in speed. Sarah was in a hurry to get to a meeting and decided to overtake the car in front of her, not knowing that this attempt would be fatal. At the time of the overtaking, a truck was traveling slowly from the right lane, partially occupying the neighboring lane due to a malfunction in the steering mechanism. The truck driver tried to slow down to avoid an accident, but it was not enough. Sarah, not having calculated the distance and dimensions of her car, crashed into the truck from the right. The impact was severe. The front of the Corolla was heavily damaged, and the car bounced to the side. However, the tragedy did not end there. A black SUV was traveling at high speed behind the car, also trying to overtake the traffic. The driver of the SUV, unable to react to the sudden accident, crashed into the already damaged Toyota Corolla, further crushing it. The force of the impact was so great that the Corolla rolled to the side of the road. Fortunately, there were no casualties. Sarah suffered minor injuries but was shocked by what happened. The truck driver remained unharmed due to the massive construction of his vehicle. The driver of the SUV, 40-year-old Michael Raines, also escaped with minor injuries, but his car needed serious repairs. I hope you enjoyed this selection of 4 accidents based on real-life events. If you want even more interesting stories and engaging content, subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Your support inspires us to create new videos. See you in the next episodes.